morning students, hope all of you are doing good. I am Miss Karima, welcome you all to the RKP online classes. So student, today's our topic is estimating the difference. Before going to start our topic, so we will watch a video.
To the nearest 10, and then we'll estimate the difference. So let's say I have 67 minus 42. Well, I'm going to round to the nearest 10, so I'm going to go to the tens place on the 6. Then I look to the right, and I see that 7 is more than 4. And since 7 is more than 4, I'm going to make that 67. I'm going to round it up to 70. Next, I'll look at the 4. Round it to the nearest 10, so I will look to the right, and I see that 2 is not more than 4, so I can round this down to 40. And we're looking for a difference, which is a subtraction problem. So 70 minus 40, well, we know 7 minus 4 is 3, so 70 minus 40 is 30. And that's how you round a number to the nearest 10 and estimate the difference.
So students, today our topic is estimating the difference. What do you mean by estimating the difference? The round of the numbers to estimate their difference means first of all we do round of the numbers and then we get the difference, and this will gives us estimating the difference as we have done already in estimating the addition, and now we are doing estimating the difference. So before going to start, first of all we will remind how to round up the numbers to the nearest 10. Okay, like you have given 67. First of all you have to round off it. How do you round off it? First of all underline the tens place. That is you are doing round of the numbers nearest to the 10. First of all underline the tens place and see the just right to the tens place. What is the right to the tens place? That is ones place. If ones place is greater than 5, then what will you do? You will increase one number in tens place and you get 6 plus 7 1, and after that you make this 0. Okay, our next example is 32. So if I want to round up this number nearest to 10, so what will I do? First of all underline the tens place and see the just right to the tens place. What is this? That is the ones place, and this is 2 is less than 5. So here no number will be increased and the same number will come 3 and this will become 0. Okay, so we have already done how to round off the numbers in our chapter 1, so just revise it. So student, this is our first question, that is estimate the difference by rounding of the numbers. So first of all you have to round off these numbers and then find the difference. So as we have done the rounding of numbers, how will you do that? First of all underline the tens place. Once tens, it is the tens place, underline it and just see right to the tens place. If right to the tens place number is right to the tens place digit is greater than 5 or equal to 5, then you will increase the tens place by 1. If so you can see here is this number is 5, that means it is equal to 5, so increase this number by 1. It becomes 5 at tens place, and at ones place it becomes 0. Okay, now do the same here. First of all underline the tens place and just see the right to the tens place, that is ones place. If at ones place digit is less than 5, so or equal to less than 5, then then the number will not increase by 1. Okay, so 2 will come at tens place and at ones place it becomes 0. Okay, now you can see this is rounds up to, means 45. When you round off the 45 you will get 50, means the higher number, so you will write rounds up to. at 23 you will write round down to, because this here estimated difference is 20. Now subtract it. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. This is your estimated difference. Estimated difference. And here you get actual difference. Now subtract 5 minus 3, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. This is your actual difference and this is your estimated difference. Students, here one statement is given to you and you have to find the estimating difference and actual difference also. So read this statement. Round of the numbers 88 and 56 to the nearest 10. Subtract to find their estimated difference and the actual difference. So what will you do? You will do the same as we have done in our previous question. Okay. So write 88 and 56. This will give you actual difference, but you have to find the estimated difference. So first of all you will round up this number. Okay. What will you write here? Rounds down to or rounds up to? So let's see. First of all, underline the tens place and see the just right to the tens place, that is 8 means it is greater than 5, so this number will increase by 1. So it becomes 9 at tens place and 0 at ones place. So you will, what will you write here? Rounds up to, means this number has goes up. 88 and 90. So you will write rounds up to. Now come to the next place. Underline the tens place. See, just write to the tens place, that is 6. 6 is greater than 5. So you will increase this number by 1. 5 will become at 6 and 6 at tens place becomes 0 when you are doing round of the numbers. And you will write again rounds up to. Okay. Now subtract. You will get the estimated difference and this will give you the actual difference. So subtract 0 minus 0, 0, 9 minus 6, 3. And subtract here 8 minus 6, 2 and 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So you can write your answer like this. Actual difference is 32 and estimated difference is 30. Okay, so by this way you can do this type of statement questions also. Okay.